So this is how you get the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's say you have a matrix A being equal to, let's say, 4, 3, 2, 1. So for you to get the inverse, denoted as that, you need 1 over the determinant of A, then you multiply that by the adjoint of A. So the first thing you need is the determinant of A. How do you get the determinant? You get the difference between the product of the main diagonal and the minor diagonal. So in the main diagonal we have 4 times 1 minus 3 times 2. That will be 4 minus 6, which is negative 2. Then the adjoint of A is obtained by switching the entries in the main diagonal and changing the signs of the entries in the other diagonal. So the adjoint will be 1, negative 3, negative 2, and 4. Okay, so what we have done is we have interchanged the entries in the main diagonal and we have changed the signs of the members of the other diagonal. So for us to get our inverse, we just need 1 over the determinant. Our determinant is negative 2. Then you multiply that by our adjoint there, which is 1, negative 3, negative 2, 4. So that will be, this will multiply each and every member of that matrix. So half times negative half times 1, that is negative 1 over 2. Then you have 3 over 2 there, we have 1, and you have negative 2. So that is the inverse of matrix A. So you can try another example. Okay, so let's say we have a matrix B given by 1, negative 1, and 2, 3. So we're going to need the determinant of B, which will be 1 times 3 minus negative 1 times 2. So that will be 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then the adjoint of the matrix B will be, if you switch the terms in the main diagonal, you have 3 and 1 there, and then you change the signs of the other members of the other diagonal. That will be 1, and this will become negative. So the inverse of B will be 1 over 5 times 3, 1, negative 2, 1, which will be 3 over 5, 1 over 5, negative 2 over 5, and 1 over 5.